showing you swapping the buttons in a busted old VE key. Righto, so you want to take your key, it's got a bit of a groove thing here. You just push your screwdriver in there and it'll just slide apart. So this bit that's got the key attached, you want to be keeping that. Now this other bit, that's where you got your buttons and your remote, like junk in there. So there's a little clip thing here. Watch your fingers. You can pop that there apart. So you've got your little horn button type thing. That just goes over here, and this back bit, I don't know why it didn't come pre-inserted actually. So you just want to grab your circuit board out of that and transfer that into there. We've taken our new battery, putting that into the shell there. And it's a matter of just putting the two back together. It all just clips in. Once you've pushed all that together, then you can take your key part of it, clip it on. There you have it. You've got a new set of buttons on your remote control.